Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to TV and upgrade to Google TV Android TV OS version 14 or latest. See, this is a Google TV Streamer 4K device. It has Google TV Android TV OS version 14. We also get Google TV Android TV OS version 15, 16, 17 when it releases. Let me check ports of this device. This is HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is LAN port. Here we can connect LAN cable from the modem or router so we can access internet. This is USB Type-C power port. Here we can connect power cable from the power adapter. Reset button, LED light. Let me connect this power cable. Okay, done. Here you can see LED light. That means right now this device is booting. Next I am going to connect this HDMI cable to this HDMI output port. Other end of this HDMI cable we can connect to TV. Let me connect to this HDMI output port. Okay, done. Let me connect other end of this HDMI cable to TV. Okay, done. We need to press and hold back button and home button. These two buttons together to pair the remote. See, now I can see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in TV. Let me check Google TV Android TV OS version. Go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS version. Here you can see it shows version 14. So this way we can connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to TV and upgrade to Google TV Android TV OS version 14 or latest. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.